Good morning, everyone. Steve Georgie here from Allendale's trading floor, February 5th. We've got things starting off a little bit better this morning as far as the grains. Corn up a couple cents, beans up 5 1/4, wheat up about 5 as well. Export sales came out today neutral overall. For corn, expecting 800,000 to 1 million metric tons, came out at 852. Lower end of the range though, but for beans, 200,000 to 500,000 came in at 496.8, so upper end of the range for beans. And then for wheat, right in the middle of the range, they expected 300 to 500,000, got 486. So neutral overall. The bigger thing that we're going to have to focus on today is what's going to happen, what's going on with crude oil. Crude right now is up $1.10. We got the dollar itself down about 20 cents. Are we going to see something like we had the other day where crude oil started running higher? The dollar was down and it was just the sense of come in and buy everything. You know, we're going to really need to try to pay attention to that today. Are we going to see that emotional train jump back on the track and start and just give a sense of just buy? We saw some short covering though last time. I mean, to come in and say, hey, beans needed to rally 40 cents that day, it didn't make a lot of sense. And corn up 20 that day. I mean, it's just tough to see that happening again. But maybe we're setting up some ranges right now that we really need to pay attention to. So continue to watch for that or give us a call. We can help you through that as well. South America weather still very ideal. They're getting their rains where they need it, and still overall good conditions there as far as South America. Something else that's been developing is you're going to hear a lot of guys talking about the port strikes out east. Is that a big deal for grains in general? Only 3% of grains go out by container, so shouldn't be that big of a reaction as far as news. But keep an eye on that. That's more of a story that we're going to probably hear more of in the next week or so. What's going to happen with that? We've got containers backing up at the ports, and certainly not a good situation there. So that's one thing that we need to keep an eye on here as we go through the next few weeks. But only 3% of our grains go out by container, so shouldn't be that big of a deal. Looking at livestock, cattle right now a little bit higher this morning. You've got bids coming in steady. That could suggest maybe steady to even $1 higher. As far as cash trade, nothing confirmed as of yet. Box beef choice up 36, select up 44, finding a little bit of a recovery. So can we finally get some kind of a bigger or some kind of a recovery here for cattle? Possibly, but we need to watch where cash trades. Still trying to work through this negative inventory report last week. And just the negative tone of the market right now. So keep an eye on that. Hogs are down this morning, down another 72 cents. Cutout values breaking back again. Big break yesterday, another $1.57 last night. Continuing to grind lower. New contracts lows made for hogs and or new recent lows, I should say, and continuing to push lower. With just a lot of negative attitude right now. So still trying to find some more of a reason to find the seasonal bottom right now. Just don't have anything to grasp at this point. Crude oil up $1.10. Keep an eye on that today. Stock market up 100 points. Gold down $2. Silver down about 13. And the dollar itself 20 cents lower at this time. But that too, keep an eye there on the dollar. If you guys have questions, give us a call over here, 800-262-7538, or check us out on the web at allendale-inc.com. Hope you guys have a great day. We'll talk to you again tomorrow. Take care.